Now I will tell you by looking at the book because here you have so many pictures and it will help you surely. And after describing the story, I will tell you about some word meanings. So let's come to the book. Too many bananas. This is the story's name. Sringeri Srinivas was having a very bad day. He is Sringeri Srinivas. Okay? Look at this picture. He has so many bananas with him. Hmm? Nobody wanted the sweet ripe bananas he was growing on his farm. No one was wanting. Everyone was refusing his bananas. Not his family, not his neighbor, not his friends, not the traders who could sell the bananas in faraway markets. No one was accepting his bananas. Look at them. How are they behaving? No, we don't want bananas. You go away. Not even his cows. They were running away from him. Look at them. They didn't want bananas to eat. No, thank you, they all said. The bananas are very sweet, but we have had too many. We cannot eat any more. Poor Sringeri Srinivas, alas, he became very upset. Look at this, so many bananas are here. Now, what will he do with this? What was he to do now with his rich harvest of bananas? He started to think then. Became very upset and tensed. Then he decided to seek the help from the farmers' center in Dodduru, a big town near his village. Dodduru is a big town near his village and there is one farmers' center from where he could get some help. Off he went carrying the best crop of bananas. Surely someone there would have a good idea for him. So he went there with the hope that anyone could help him. After a few days later, Sringeri Srinivas returned home looking very happy. Look at him. He looks very happy and cheerful. Why? We know it, right? He went back to growing bananas on his farm. He started growing so many bananas. Look at him. He didn't stop. But he didn't offer the fruits to anyone anymore. He again got so many bananas with him. But this time everyone is here. Look at them. But Sringeri Srinivas was no more offering them his bananas. He was not giving them his bananas. Not to his family, not to his neighbor, not to his friends, not even the cows, not to the traders who could sell the bananas in faraway markets. They all became very surprised. Look at these eyes. These are already rolled, rounded, because they became confused. What is happening with Sringeri's banana? Everyone became very curious. Where were all the bananas going? Look at them. They all are looking in this way. Became very confused, curious. Curious means they wanted to know where all the bananas are going, but they don't know. One day, neighbor Shivana arranged a very big puja. Shivana is a neighbor of Sringeri Srinivas. Shivana arranged a very big puja. This is the priest who will adore the gods in the puja, and this is Shivana. The priest asked him to get 108 ripe bananas as an offering to the gods. Offering means when we give something to the gods, this is called an offering. Sometimes we may eat them as prasadam also, right? So the priest asked for 108 ripe bananas to offer to the gods. He became very tensed. Look at him. He is scratching his head. Sometimes he is looking very confused and tensed. Then Shivana ran to Sringeri Srinivas because he knows it very well who could help him by giving him 108 ripe bananas. When he reached Sringeri Srinivas, he felt so sorry. He folded his hand and said, I am sorry for saying no to you before, but now I need 108 ripe bananas. Can you help me, please? Sringeri Srinivas tapped his chin. Tapped means thinking with his fingers. He started to think. Well, my crop has just been cut, but let me see what I can do. You may start your puja. I will surely come. Sringeri Srinivas told this to Shivana. The puja started. Here, the puja started and the priest has started the puja. He is adoring the gods with the holy fire. The whole village came to watch. Everyone is here. They are called villagers. The priest began chanting. Yes, this is the priest who has sat before the holy fire and he is chanting. Chanting means he is singing some religious mantras. Soon it became time to offer bananas to the gods, and he is asking for some bananas. Everyone became again tensed and confused. He started to say, Oh God, please help me. What can I do now? Look at him. Just then, in came Sringeri Srinivas carrying a big bag. Everyone was looking at one another. Who came? Sringeri Srinivas. He is the man with so many bananas. Look at him. He has carried a big bag of bananas. And he looks so happy and cheerful. From the bag, Sringeri Srinivas carefully took out 27 packets and laid them out before the holy fire. Holy means which is connected to the god. This is called the holy fire. And he pulled out the packets and laid them before the holy fire. How many packets? 27 packets. On each one was written High Quality Banana Halwa SS Farms. This is the ad that he has pasted on his banana leaf. Okay? That is meant he has become a banana halwa seller. Sringeri Srinivas offered one to the priest also. Look at him. Sringeri Srinivas was offering one banana leaf to the priest. Each one has the pulp of 4 bananas. On each packet, how many bananas are inside? 4 bananas are inside on each packet. There are 27 packets. Then, how many bananas are there? What you will do? You have to multiply 27 by 4. Then you can get 108 ripe bananas. So here are your 108 ripe bananas. These things shows us very well that Sringeri Srinivas is also very intelligent, very intelligent, because he used his intelligence, he used his brain.